uslo munye what next. Mina kuneng lengakuchazela kona uma nginesikhathi. Ngitholile nje i-report ya AG, Auditor General, over 500 pages. Le team lenginayo kaSwali Minelulaka ihlunga ihlatiye everything. Ngiphutile kuyithola ngithola idola ayivuleke like email but ngagcina ngiyivulile. Ngidokutshela mina ngidokwati mina ukuthi last year malini mali abayikhipha. Ngidoblaza lama reporter AG. Ngidokwati ukuthi ngimalini. Baniyenge kangakanani yona beyingimalini. I will know that. Ngiphute nje kuyithola le document. So I'll try to get another one. Isho khona kuvuleka kalula. Sekuthi angifuni ukubuya kanenge for family meeting but mina I'll be clear. Ngeke ngiphukutwe ebonile. Futhi ngeke ngivume eMaswati aphukutwe ebonile. And ngiyawacela eMaswati. Bantu abese thina nje ngabe sine free education. From grade 1 unto form 5. eMaswati ngibonile lapha babhale ukuthi bakhiphe imali engakanani yaka scholarship. Lalelani. Phila wathi onke ama students lete ngema Humes kusuka kulomnyaka lo akasababhadali. Le mali iedwelele kuloko edako nina ngikhona ndova abhlungu ukuthi aniboni phambili. Nibuva lobhlungu ngalesikhathi lo mntwana sacetha lo form 5 lo wakho safika euniversity kuthiwa itolo lo wente ema Humes beka sithola scholarship sekude. Phila wanyanyiswa ngilaba labatoyitoya abafuna ema allowance wathi hey akathi bonele umuntu kule course le nale la kugcwele amaswati khona wathi abathi bonele. Ngishatandla lo nibona amaphepha bathi ikhulile iallowance basho bashaye ngelizembe wonke lamakhosi ahlagcwele eMaswati. Uma bavala eMadubai nganitshela iseta ngathi ngibona ichaos ngibantu akhona kuba nemoto namuhla. I said it. Nalendzaba ye scholarship utobona lo mbane lo ka form 1 makaqedza form 5 aqualify nga 2021 kubantwana labang 100 laba pass form 5 laba qualify kuya university. Hayi ndi laba cedze form 5 laba qualifyile laba 100. Hulumende beka sponsorisha 40%. Bengika labor. Portfolio yaka labor. These are figures I know. Wonke lo 60 eMaswati bekathi bonela I can bet lo sebafake lelizembe kusho ukuthi nyalo ku 100 ngendeka babhadala le 30. 70 so yadibonela niphasile form 5 kufuna ni university uthi phila bangibangela umsindo mase batoyitoya angingaba oyilutho ngiyavala la nginvetele eBotswana waze waqualifya uyahola njalo ngenyanga ukuthi wena ubonga ukuthi ucede isikolo ubhadalwa nguhulumende la Botswana kuna hulumende lokhethwe bantu bophila bayalaya nginifakele phela ifootage yala Botswana ukuthi kwenteka lokho thine ngoba hulumende wethu uyakhonjwa. This is what we are getting. I want you to be clear Maswati mina ngite ebhlungu enhlitweni yami lengulwelako kuliciniso babe makatala mina wathi ngibekile induko bandla wayibeka vele wamaguju angike futhi nasemuva Nkosi yami mawucabanga ukuthi makawuka uyawo ke kuthiwa ubheke emuva awusathi lesilwane lobhekene naso khohlwa. I'm not saying I'll win but I'm telling you as long as I breathe I'll keep going forward. I'll keep running. If I can't run I will walk. If I can't walk I will crawl. It's either I run. If it is hard I walk. If it's hard walking I crawl. Lokumcoka I don't stop and I will never stop. Lengo lesikhuluma kole ekugcineni ngake ngakhuluma ngathi you can kill a prophet ngangikhuluma eParliament ngase ngibabona bafuna ukungibulala ngathi you can kill a prophet but you will never kill the prophecy. Our people shall triumph. Niyaganga niyabadla ngene sikelemini. Hey. Niboke engiyanipasela nje. Niboke nibute lo babe lothole emathenda onke. Kutha akambitanga ni Magawugawu nga 2019 na 2020. Watongipha envelope yakhe isimusi. Ikumbe yini envelope ngayithatha. Ngambuta kucala ukuthi kukhona yini emva kwaloko lokubheke kimi. Wathi kude emhlonishwa ngibonga. Angiva ukuthi ngiyavathela kanti bongisitile bacede. Wathi hey eKawuzela. Waze wathola emathenda you have sold your soul. Wanginika envelope lo babe. Ngamtshela kucala ngathi mawucabanga usidayisa ukuthenga umphefumulo wami forget and smile. I can't. Lele ngikwenda ngidawuchubeka wathi mhlonishwa I'm just supporting imisebenzi yakho lemihle. Sikubonile sifofaneni wenda in. I want to support you. That's what. Ngathi if it is in that spirit it is well with me. Thank you. That was Christmas. ngangade ukuthi bafuna I had to declare ukuthi khohlwa you won't buy me bathe ngiyiweke lufomfo. What next? That was my closing. Ngiyacela ukuthi lokufunzela hamba yokufundzisa labanye. That's my number 1. Number 2, onke lamangala abantu abakhuluma ku TV hamba wa confront with these facts. Number 3, every state propaganda machine lekhona maswata kithi confront it with these facts. MDM, stop polarizing our people. Maxwell, I guess NEC Putemo, thank you for standing strong and making your point clear. Asidingi weapon. And I want to salute you here, Maxwell. Thank you. Ngiyabonga. And I hope many leaders from both Swalimo and Putemo will understand that it is time to stand together. We are only delaying ourselves. We are only delaying our people. Ngisinje ngikwende ukuthi kube clear ukuthi ngicela ukuthi nonke lenu MDM start creating internal cohesion ngoba it is only through internal cohesion that we will win. Who win after winner? So without the internal cohesion we will take long, but with internal cohesion we will win so quickly. Sometimes you must work hard, but it is important to work smart. Sometimes you must work hard, but it is important to work smart. Bengikhuluma nge-MDM. Baholi noma nelekuswani baholi lenibhala ama-Facebook post that are so divisive. Labo labasethi inkundleni banjani. You are only delaying our people. You hate our people. Can you please repent? Because you know the basic. Together we will win and we will be easier. Ngiyanicela and ngiyaphinza na family meeting ngasho kuqala ngathi bangawaphoxwa ngimagawugawu. Receive my apologies on behalf of our people. I'm extending my hand. Ungangibiteli etafuleni, because I believe what has not been won in the trenches cannot be won on the boardroom. Ake siqale siyosebenza lapha phansi kuma activities ngibone ukuthi usho kona ukuthi sofuna sikhulume. When the program ngiyisupport, ngani program uyisupport ngoba uyawubona umphumela wayo. Ngikubona ke lapho ukuthi usho sibili mawuthi asale siye etafuleni ku boardroom President Kawuzela siyokhuluma. Ngiyayibona inhlitiyo yakho. Don't pull me to the desk. It will not work. What will work is us working together on the trenches. Start there. Ngishito ngathi bithi program ubhala incwadi President Kawuzela sicela iSwalimo sidaba namsebenzi lonje sinakuyibamba kanye. That is why Swalimo ngi-motivate every day. Bhalela wonke umuntu ngoba kulapha kuma trenches la sitawutholana khona sibambana. Ila uthi fika letafuleni ebuholini seyibambene phansi. Definitely we will win. Le fake ukuya etafuleni sibe singekho phansi. Angihlangani ngetulo ngathi ngimhlinza mfuko. I don't do that. I don't do fake unity. I need real unity. We are ready to attend your programs anytime and any day. But it all starts with the trenches. What has not been won in the trenches cannot be won on the boardroom.
Ngitsenisa umvusa nkunzi sakha likhaya leli.
Ngibuta ke babebhembe kusi njengoba lana kugcwele lithango uthengisela bani?
Lana ngithengisela umuntu loshadile. Indoda nemfati le. Na ungimake phela uyalinaka likhaya lakho. Na ungibaba uyalinaka likhaya lakho. Lese ngikubuke ngakubona mina. Thina sibaba sihlala kakhulu emabhareni sinaseshwala. Lo shwala beyasigila la ngembili asesifike ekhaya. Maka sesuthi. So yasalula mbili kanzi lo lubangalala lolu. Ngumvusa nkunzi uyakwenda lokuthi uphuthe lokukhama na ungibabe.
Siyabonga baba sekuyajula.
Eras angikwathi ukuthi ukwende nini lokho. Kodwa naku le ngifuna ukusho. Kuthi ayisithi indoda mayikhulula umfati wayo ukuthi yadi ukuthi kusuke kuyokwendewani lapha. This is very important. Indoda mayithi umfati wakho hamba lapha awudzingi utshelwa ukuthi kwendeka nathi tithombe letibera but yathi khulumela. Ngiloko ke lo suke kwendeka lapha. Laba labathi kunjani nakho kusuke kwendeka lapha. Bengithi ke ngichaza what needs to be done. Ngicela ukuthi si investe uyathi Mufasa kulate eNingizimu Afrika eKZN bathi kulinda u12 New Year na. Can we rush into the ground? Mobilize? Can we get into schools? Can we teach our children? Can we agitate? Ake singene emhlanganweni wemphakathi. Ake kusukelwe labo bucopho ngalama facts. Ake kusukelwe labo nduna enkundla ngalama facts laba ukuthi sifuna change. Fact ithi sesibonile ukuthi sihlushekiswa ngile system. Sicela ukuthi nibatshele bayofuca eParliament ukuthi lento leyashwa bobacede nabo magawugawu. Yekuthi ndvunankulu noma ke hulumende akakhethwe abantu ingiyo. Site imali siyahlupheka site imsebenzi bothisha labacedza nga2020. I know teachers labacedza engwane nga2020 bahlete emakhaya. 2021 teachers from William Picture, Nazarene Ngwane bahlete emakhaya. Tikhona kodwa tikolo atishoda ngabothishela. Kunebantwana bede tishela. This is a country where the head of government is appointed. Go and preach this everywhere. Stop the hatred. Lamkodzini sitawukhiphana ngokubambana. I'm telling you, mawufuni way forward, I'm giving you what needs to be done. The president, the buck stops with you. Lapha ekhaya. Wena babe wena make fundisa labantu abakho la khaya. Nina abantu besikole yekelani ukuba busy with entertainment of ibhola or what. Ningakhulumi ngelikusasa leno. In classrooms, but the subject will be until we hold each other and push the regime out. We will always suffer. Gamblane, utala gamblane. Washo President JJ. Ubute ukuthi what next? Ngake ngakhuluma ngengulube lengafuni ukungena ehekeni. Umzaqa longafuni ukushaya ingulube. Umlilo longafuni ukushisa umzaqa. Emanti langafuni ukucima umlilo. Inkomo lengafuni ukunatha emanti ngoba ingawanatha emanti atahamba ucima umlilo. Maka ucima umlilo utawushisa induku. Induku mayibona umlilo, induku utawushaya ingulube. Ingulube itawutatele ehekeni ukuthi nguphi. Sakufunza sonke lokho. Ithini lento? Wena shaya bhova losekhaya, shaya buqopho. Mtshele ukuthi babe sifuna lunjinjo, khuluma enkundleni kube straight mabumele thine. Sicela lunjinjo. Yenduna enkundla ake luconze lulwimi lapha. Ungaye ngekuhola kuphela. Sicela lunjinjo. Sifuna nje lunjinjo. Sibonile ukuthi swap. Yelunga leParliament nas discipline amaswati nga2021. Kude longatholanga ema message. Sasimile sinabo baqede sithi nduna kulokhethiwe. Asonke maswati asende ama SMS. Sendela umhlonisho emhlonisho. Teka lendzaba letekwa kwasifuna nduna kulokhethwe ngemaswati. Wasukuma emotion hey. Sitawuthini kude lotela ama message agcwele tincingo entetho. Bantu sebasibhulisha. I asked one question. Anikwendi ngani lokulaba kushoka abakukhuluma anikhulumi ngani. Bathi ngiwakhuluma namagawugawu nawo nabacede sibaselwe ngini. Now what discipline ama MPs? What's stopping you from doing that now? Facebook kuphi ebabe asilu namswati wakho thina silu nabani sicela ukuthi head of government abe namagunya laphelele akhethwe ngithi sesibonile ukuthi kufa kwethu kukuphi noma ngabe ungisomabhizinisi ngakuthola umsebenzi uyathi bangakwenyanya nje bakushaya ngasira bakukhiphe egemini ngathi kwe provisional tax ukuthi yini bayachagela nje ku provisional tax ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi wakhe imali engaka sebafuna kuvala ibhizinisi yakho niyathi bosomabhizinisi awukathele enyokeni kungako bakushaya sibonile phela mkhalipha kathela ngenyokeni lapha agubha inkwali wagcina thuthile kufuna uthele enyokeni nanawe wendiwa sitawuphila eveni lekuthele enyokeni kuze kube kunini flat these MPs balapha ethikithini leno that is cheap ndawo edlula ungathi wanduna nkulu uhambile uye ka OAU uyoqamba manga ngetinkundla athi tinhle funani le site share the link send the clear message on that site la akhuluma khona ukuthi bayasigcilada le regime yasiphuyisa badlele tikwethu once you did that in 2021 kude minister lo wafuna kuhamba hayi noma bekukiphi summit ngoba bebathi mabafika eMaswati abathithelile naye ngabantu bathi nizabalaza ku Facebook naba discourage. That was a winning trick. Go and do that. That i-revolution ya 2024 ingeke ifanane ne-revolution ya 1905. Atabakhona ama-similarities, but the dynamics have changed. Yekela ukuthi angingeni ku-Facebook Fidel Castro wenda in our part nalesibhamu labe siphethe. Go and engage. Every site is a site of struggle. Ungayengwa bosiyazi labathi bona babo madibhane bemzabalazo. I was telling you what to do. Njengoba sewubonile ukuthi singcono sihleti ngaphandle. Ngiyacela ke ngawasho lamagama lawo. It is very important ukuthi si strategize. Ngihlala ngithi there is always what is called calculated risk. Lo babe ubeke indvuku yekuchitha emandejeni wathi gcoba ngehamela. Why ngithi lo babe ubeke indvuku yokuchitha emandejeni wathi uthi gcoba ngehamela? Uthi lapha eParliament ucela ukuthi inkulumo yaseParliament isakadwe eMaswati afinyelele kumalunga awo eParliament. Leli gama lelo yakhelani kilo. Ushi speech from the throne hambani kubantu abafike kini. That is speech from the throne. Babambeni lapho ke emhlonishwa. Inkulumo lephuma esihlalweni ithi ayifikani kithi. Sitha kuwe ke ngalesibili. Silethe iKhaloteni, that is petition delivery. Uma baqala bazuba nebabamba nge-speech from the throne, that is what is called calculated risk. And bathi banibone ukuthi nisho mbamba ni organize. Naze naba kanye na mixa ukukhala kwenu etulu khiphani bobaqede nabomthandeni etulu kude lokutasisita akube na hulumende lokhethwe bantu. Ngiletho tinguquko lesifuna liqala phansi lelisonto utawutifikela lo mlilo wengani ihamba lendlela utawutatela don't massage the MPs manikhuluma nawo. No, phela ingulube idzinga lo TV into la ngemuva kungikhona they will toe the line. Baniswitha ngamabuttonisi baniswitha ngani thani clear. Sicela kuya kuwe futhi master kuwa sibhaqa siyativeta silethe nathi iKhalonati. Ngicela nje Maswati plan siyabathi ukuthi baneludlame lokudubula, fair enough, but there's a possibility to do calculated risk. We did it UN, we did it eMelika. That's what the mass democratic movement should be planning on the way forward. MPs ke ngicela kubonga Zwane Mangweni Nhlambene ngibonga kumelele eMaswati nekungadlali ngathi ngoba sathi sicela benhlambene bakukhethe. You are doing an exceptional job. Hayi kunalamanye ama MPs le ngivema audio awo ngiyakhola abafana bakithi batawafaka from tomorrow. Hayi Maswati akithi ngabe usheshe nilahle lithemba. Tiyavuthela ke nyawo lapha eParliament. Dingenile ke emshinini lapha eParliament. Ngivile namhla ngingakedi. Tiyavuthela. Kuphela nguwe lo mele uthi umhluphu utawuvuthela njengalaba labanye. Kusasa different MPs. Ngiyakhola boRasi batasihlanganisela different MPs. Bakhuluma kuyacaca ukuthi lesive sithini sibhekapi. I've heard that. And ama platforms akithi atawuqala asherisha I guess from tomorrow. Lokho kwendiwa ukuthi nina nisahlekile emakhaya. Chubekani ningahleki. Kuyalunga phambili. Ngicina ngekuthi ke Monty ushito ukuthi ngiyanicela Maswati lase USA. Ngifise ukuthi la kubo August September ngide kude kwami ngifise ngenetwork yenu Comrade Monty ngenetwork yenu nani Maswati lase USA. Umuntu ufise ukuthola the strategic pillars lokulesikubita ngama MPs eSwatini ngeva ke Monty wangitshela ukuthi it's not MPs there. Njengala UK it's easy kuthola imali MPs from their constituencies. Ngiyanicela Maswati lase USA. Prepare for this August September. Ningendele into ngayiphatha eIreland. We are getting well with some of the MPs in Ireland. My prayer is to get well with these MPs in the USA. Donald Trump is speaking the right language. Kuphela udzinga correct information so that laba labadlala ngemaswati batobona ukuthi the net is closing in on them. Ngiyacita and maswati laseSwatini, lase-Ireland, lase-UK niyabati bani labase-USA. My number is 76030198 on WhatsApp. Link me with them. And I am happy lokuthi there are WhatsApp groups now in the USA of emaswati that are working together and saying, President Kawuzela, asiswalimo angisebenzi ngekuba iswalimo njengoba amanye e-Ireland bengakasebenzi ngalokho noma ngikhanze amalunga amanenge eswalimo mina ngiya emaswatini uliswati ufuna change, you don't need to be swalimo. Let's arrange around August. One, kubona nine because you'll be the ground force lele eTulu as diaspora. Two, nine ngidawukhanza nakela ama appointments where we will express the pain of our people. Umnyango lesufisa kakhulu ngoTrump. NgaNkulunkulu wasezulwini uyawukhanza ukuthi ngiyawuhamba ngibe dudane angimati mswati uyawuphuma bhekephi. Nali ke liswati Comrade Innocent Dlamini use USA. Naye inombolo yakhe angathi iyanayi. Ithathe nje nithathe screenshot nishoot emaswati. Nithi ngayishoota bese niyishare ku Facebook. Every Swazi lo se-USA akashaya le nombolo le batokhona ku-organize 91 WhatsApp group. Prepare ukuthi isibambisa njani i-USA. Comrade Innocent ke basebenzana nabo Comrade Monti. Njoba ngiyibeke lapha nje thathani the screenshot. Comrade Innocent ba ready for nine. You'll be added to one huge WhatsApp group. We'll prepare for the August. And yeah, sebasethe screenshot and ngiyacela ukuthi take this number, flood it all over. Money flatter requestane emaswati. Kungadlali ngayo. I must emphasize. Kungadlali ngayo. Kodwa to organize each other so that by this August or September, skhanze wonke lo mshini uhamba kahle. The other countries across the globe, angisebenzi lutho mina ngisebenda nini emaswati. Anytime you say Kawuzela sesi-arrangile. Ngidawuchecka into etimbalwa security wise. Nekunihlola lokuthi nibantu labanjani ngoba le intelligence will check much on that one. We will talk and I will come. Le ngikudzinga kakhulu ngilama strategic institutions. La njengabo Commonwealth offices. La njengama institutions that advocate for democracy. Lekubo Denmark nakuphi kuphi siyanicela. Nakhona eShayina siyanicela maswati vulani leminyango. Sifuna ukukhuluma ngalokuhlupheka kwemaswati kuze maswati atawukhuleka. Maswati la exposed to funders and donors and money. If we can have money, it will not take a year. Lo msangano utabuphelile lo. Once we get funds, lo msangano lo wendwa ngumswati lo utabuphele nya. I know ukuthi lisuka kukhona liswati lelati ukuthi how can we get funds to mobilize well and push out the regime because yonke into yendiwa imali. Ngiyanicela maswati. I have my hands up. I'm saying 24/7. I don't want to do anything, but I want to focus in the liberation battle of our people. Because for this cause I was born, and I believe for this cause I live. Ngiyanicela ke maswati. Swalimo, ngiyanicela nonke baholi siyakuplena. Mhla ka-6 siyaphuma eSwatini. 7, 8. Sitabe sihleli phansi noma mina ngidabe nginani virtual. Technical team, media team, I hope niyeva lokuthi I will need to get to them virtually. They will be coming from all over, all the key leaders across Swaziland. Siyohlala phansi lama MPs siwatrapa njani atokhona khuluma le parliament. Labo buqopho sibafakela njani la ngemvimvo leshisako batokhona khuluma lapha enkundleni. Lo ndvuna yenkundla simfakela njani kushisa atotshela MP ukuthi bastrapa abantu lengemva ebabe noma imake lephambili bofika ukhulume naku nanaku. Ngithi njoba ngishito ngithi ingulube itawungena lapha kodwa kunaloluchunga lofuna ukuthi lilumeke lengemuva. Swalimo uthethe wathi uya ku plan strategic plan. Siyanicela ngeleneti imali. Swalimo urelaya emaphaketheni alabantu abebana. We need funds to have these leaders housed for the whole weekend. I'll be with them virtually. We'll discuss and plan everything so that when they go back, they know which button to press. Sonke sikolwa, i-break yini kumele ukuthi kufundiswe ukuze masipressa i-button kude losalako maswati. Lena yindzaba yethu sonke. We need that money. We need that support. I have my hands up. Ngila kuyawuphuma khona ukuthi siyaya yini kuNovember kaMhlushwa kule plenum. Kuyawuphuma tonke tinhlelo ukuthi kuma bo USA embassy, bo UN embassy, ku diaspora ithini umdwebo. Uyophuma la ku plenum. Ngabi khona umholi weSwalimo lo important lo tatiko ukuthi unebuchopho lobukhaliphile ukuthi asibambe njani lo salako siyakuplenum. This plenum ngilakutawutalwa khona ema-programs lahamba nale strategic roadmap lesas-adopta ukuthi sitwika kuphi kulo 2025 kuze 2025 ube ngumnyaka wethu wempumelelo njengekhuluma kwethu. Failure to plan is planning to fail. Failure to plan is planning to fail. This is the time. So ngithi angibe clear because I know a program yaSwalimo. We need that. So ngiyanicela baholi beSwalimo, ngiyanicela ke nani maswati, support us. Call me 76030198. President, singasupporta bataba banengi labantu ngoba bayolala laba ulala khona, bayokudla lilanga lonke bahlalela lokudweba ukuthi masifike ekhaya kuyokwenziwa. We need support. 76030198. UK nangithatha nangimixa iIreland, thank you. Nanyalo I need a lot. UK niyangiva. I need your support. Kunengele kumele ukuthi ngikucoverishe. Call me. Bukhona abaholi be-UK, but don't hesitate to call me 76030198. Stokwathi ukuthi sibambisana njani. Lo mzabalazo lo weMaswati. Awu bantu abamake bantu abakethu. Ngiyathi ukuthi labanye bese baphelwa ngemandla. Vuka khona ingoma leshathi lenkawuza lethi vuka ukhanye vuka uthandaze ngoba indlela iyachubeka. This battle we shall win. It is only a matter of when. And if you align yourself with this battle, you are placing yourself to the right side of history. Kuyawuthiwa kucwala stadium.
Hayi cha niyajabula ne-South Africa nabanivusela kuthiwa fellow South Africans. Yo awuthi ningala eSwatini awuvuselwa nalokuvuselwa nje kuvuselwa tikhulu kuphela kungenwe nizabeni uveze kukhulunywa ngaze kukhulunywa nami ke la. Ngisho lo holiday lakho ema holiday utshela siya bevele itawusele holiday noma uve namhla kuseni sawuye emsebenzini le holiday utawutsini hayi